dalawa na kami. Kasi 7 kami, guys. 7 kami Horizon, but now we're just 2. And yeah, I hope you are interested in the conversation.
Yeah, pero I think it's gonna be fun kasi we're madaldal naman, so...
Super. Kaya namin 2 hours.
Yeah,
So pwede tayo mag-baba dito ng chikana hanggang mga 5 a.m. Okay, so that's very good to hear. We all know you guys enjoyed attending, performing, and interacting with